Assalamu alaikum, class 7th. Today our next chapter is chapter number 2, rational numbers. In this unit, you will learn about the concept of rational numbers and their types, the rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. You have to learn about the concepts of additive identity and multiplicative identity of rational numbers. How to express rational numbers in standard form, and how to compare and order rational numbers. So students, first of all we have to learn about what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Counting numbers like your books in a bag, the total number of students in a class, these are our counting numbers. That are the numbers that can be observed in nature. They are represented by the set n, that is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. And whole numbers include the set of natural numbers and the additional element 0. So if 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, then the set is called the set of whole number, and the set of whole number is denoted by the set W, capital W, and the set of natural numbers is denoted by the capital N. When a natural number is subtracted from another natural number, sometimes the result is an integer. For example, 4 is the element of the set of natural numbers, and like another element is 19, so 19 is also the set element of natural numbers. So we have to subtract these natural numbers. So 4 is the element of the natural numbers and 19 is also the element of the set of natural numbers. So when we have to subtract one natural number from another natural number, we get an answer minus 15, and sometimes it is an integer. So it means this is the minus 15, and the minus 15 belongs to the set of integers. So now we have to introduce a new set, that is set of integers. So if negative and positive numbers both are included in a single set, then it is called the set of integers. Integers include positive and negative numbers along with 0. 0 is also included in this set. So the set of natural numbers is now equals to minus 3, minus 2, and this is the so on set, infinite set. So minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 up to so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. So students, set of natural numbers is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and set of whole number is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on, and set of integers is equals to up to so on, like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. So natural numbers is a smaller set than the set of whole number, and set of whole number is smaller than the set of integers. Okay students, now we have to talk about what happens when a natural number is divided by another natural number. For example, 10 divided by 5, the answer is 2. When we have to divide a natural number on another natural number, the result is also a natural number, but sometimes it is a natural number, but sometimes the result is not a natural number. For example, if we have to divide 9 divided by 12, 9 divided by 12, that can be written as 9 over 12. So on the table of 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. We get the answer 3 over 4, or it can be written as 0.75. So 3 over 4 is not a natural number. So what kind of number is this? Now we have to talk about the number in fraction. So the next definition is rational numbers. Rational numbers is denoted by Q, capital Q, are numbers that include integers and fractions. 3 is an integer, 4 is also an integer. The rational numbers are those numbers which include the integers and the fraction. So 3 over 4 is a rational number. So a number which can be represented in the form of P over Q, where P and Q are integers like 3 over 4, and Q is not equal to 0, is a rational number. But why Q is not equal to 0? So let's suppose this is the rational number P over Q, and let if Q is equal to 0. So if Q is equal to 0, then the fraction will become P over 0. And when 0 occurs in the denominator of any fraction, the answer is undefined. No answer will be considered, the answer is undefined. So P over 0 is not a rational number, so Q cannot be equal to 0. So like this, Any fraction which contains 0 in the denominator is undefined. Q cannot be equal to 0. Now we have to talk about some examples of rational numbers. For example, 2 over 3, minus 3 over 4, minus 4 over 7, minus 5 over 6, 0, 4 and minus 2 are rational numbers. So how 0, 4 and minus 2 are rational numbers? 4 and minus 2 are rational numbers. So 0 can be written as 0 over 1. We can put 1 in the denominator like this. 4 is equals to 4 over 1 and minus 2 is equals to minus 2 over 1. So 0, 4, minus 2, minus 6, 12 are the rational numbers. So what are the irrational numbers? So as their name implies, irrational numbers are unreasonable numbers that refuse to be expressed as the quotient of two integers which cannot be written in the form of p and q. So the constant pi. So pi is equals to 3.14 up to so on. For example, this is an irrational number. So square root 3 is not a perfect square. So square root 3 is equals to, so you can see that square root 3 is equals to 1.73205 up to so on. So square root 3 is an irrational number. So the irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be expressed in the p over q form. So these numbers are called irrational numbers. So as I explained earlier, so natural number is smaller than whole number and whole number is smaller than integers and integers is smaller than rational numbers. As the set of natural numbers is consist in the whole numbers and the set of whole numbers is consist in the integers and the set of integers is consist in the rational numbers. So natural number is a subset of whole numbers and whole number is a subset of integers and integers is a subset of rational numbers. Now we have to draw the Venn diagram of this relation. As Q is the largest set and Z is the subset of Q and W is a subset of Z and natural number is a subset of whole numbers. So the diagrams can be shown like, and irrational numbers cannot be belongs to that any of that set. So irrational numbers can be drawn separately like this. Okay students, now we have to summarize the rational numbers and the irrational numbers. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि रैशनल नंबर्स वो नंबर्स होंगे जिनको हम p ओवर q की फॉर्म में लिख सकें. दैट मीन्स इनको हम फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में लिख सकें लाइक दिस 2 ओवर 3 माइनस 3 ओवर 4. और मैंने कहा इरेशनल नंबर्स वो नंबर्स होंगे जिन्हें हम p ओवर q की फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकेंगे. इट मीन्स कि उनको फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकेंगे. बट पाई इज इक्वल टू 22 ओवर 7. दिस इज इन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. सो वाई वी से दैट इट इज़ एन इरेशनल नंबर. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसकी रीज़न ये है कि जब हम 2 को 3 पे डिवाइड करेंगे हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 0.6666666 अप टू सो ऑन. हमें पता होगा कि अगर हम एक 100 एंट्री पे भी पहुंच जाए तो आंसर क्या होगा 6 ही होगा. मीन्स हमें पता है कि हम जितना मर्जी आगे चले जाएं आंसर यही रिपीट हो रहा है 666 ही रिपीट हो रहा है. सो दिस इज़ द रैशनल नंबर. माइनस 3 ओवर 4 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 0.75. डिवीजन प्रोसेस ख़त्म हो गया. 0.75 पे डिवीजन प्रोसेस ख़त्म हो गया. सो दिस इज़ द रैशनल नंबर. माइनस 5 ओवर 8 माइनस 0.625 डिवीजन प्रोसेस यहीं पे ख़त्म हो गया, आगे चलता नहीं जा रहा. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ रैशनल नंबर. सो irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be ended. Like square root 3 is equals to 1.73200508 up to so on. और हमें ये भी नहीं पता कि अगला नंबर क्या होगा. अगर प्रोसेस अप टू सो ऑन हो लेकिन हमें पता हो कि अगला नंबर क्या होगा देन दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द रैशनल नंबर. और जब एक डिवीजन प्रोसेस ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा लेकिन हमें ये भी नहीं पता कि आगे कौन सा नंबर रिपीट होगा देन दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द इररेशनल नंबर. लाइक 22 ओवर 7 इज़ एन इररेशनल नंबर बिकॉज 3.1428571 अप टू सो ऑन. और हमें नहीं पता कि आगे नंबर क्या आएगा, कौन सा नंबर आगे आएगा. सो दिस इज़ द इररेशनल नंबर्स. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी हैव टू डू आवर एक्सरसाइज 2A, question number 1. Some practice of rational and irrational numbers. We have to talk about which number is a rational and which number is not a rational number. So if you see the question number 1 and part number 1, can 3 is a rational number? Yes, 3 is a rational number because 3 can be written as 3 over 1. Like 3 over 1. 3 over 1 is also a rational number because it can be written in the form of fraction. So what about 3 over 0? 3 over 0 is not a rational number because we have studied that 0 cannot be in the denominator. So if 0 is in the denominator, the answer will be undefined. So this is not a rational number. Minus 3 over 1. So it is also a rational number. Minus 0 over 3, rational number. Minus 3 over minus 1, It is also a rational number. What about 0 over 0? 0 is in the denominator, so it is not a rational number. It is undefined. Okay, student, question number 2 is write the following rational numbers as integers. So you simply minus 9 over 1, as you know that minus 9 over 1 is equals to minus 9. Minus 9 over 1 can be written as is equals to minus 9. And minus 21 over minus 1, minus will be cancelled out with this minus, and 21 over 1 can be written as 21. Okay, student, now question number 3. Question number 3 is write the rational number whose numerator is minus 7 into 2 and whose denominator is 21 minus 2. So student, we have to find the rational number whose numerator is this and denominator is this. As we know that the fraction is always has numerator over denominator. So we have to put the value of numerator is minus 7 multiplied by 2 like this, and denominator is 21 minus 2. Now we have to solve it. Minus 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to minus 14, and when we have to subtract 2 from 21, we get the answer 19. So the required rational number is minus 14 over 19. As same as question number 4 part 1, write down the rational number whose numerator is 15 minus 4 and whose denominator is 37 multiplied by minus 2. Now we have to write the given data that numerator is equals to 15 minus 4 and denominator is equals to 37 into minus 2. So the required rational number is equals to numerator over denominator. So 15 minus 4 over 37 multiplied by minus 2. 15 minus 4, that is equals to 11, and when we have to multiply 37 with minus 2, we get 11 over minus 74. Question number 4 part 2 is express the above rational number with a positive denominator. Now we have to write the 11 over minus 74 as a positive denominator. So the rational number with a positive denominator can be obtained by we have to become this rational number a positive denominator. So we have to multiply with minus 1 and divided by minus 1. 11 multiplied by minus 1 over minus 74 multiplied by minus 1. So 11 multiplied by minus 1, that is equals to minus 11, and minus minus plus 74 ones are 74. So this is a rational number with a positive denominator. Okay, student, question number 5 is express minus 3 over 7 as a rational number whose numerator is 6. We have to convert minus 3 over 7 into a rational number whose numerator is 6. We have to minus 3 want to become 6. So the given rational number is minus 3 over 7 with minus 3 as a numerator. Minus 3 is a numerator of this rational number, which is to be replaced by 6. Minus 3 is to be replaced by 6. So the multiplier chosen in this case is, now we have to divide 6 onto minus 3. So 6 divided by minus 3, we get the answer minus 2. So we have to multiply minus 2 with minus 3 and minus 2 with 7. So minus 3 over 7, that is equals to minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 and 7 multiplied by minus 2. The answer is minus minus plus 3 to the 6 and 7 to the minus 2 the minus 14. So we get the rational number whose numerator is 6 with the help of minus 3 over 7. Now we have to convert the minus 3 over 7 into the rational number whose numerator is minus 15. Now we have to convert minus 3 into minus 15. So the numerator of the given rational number is minus 3, which is to be replaced by minus 15. So the multiplier chosen in this case is minus 15 divided by minus 3. The answer is positive 5, minus minus plus. So 3 5 the 15. So we have to multiply 5 with minus 3 and 5 with 7. So minus 3 multiplied by 5 and 7 multiplied by 5. Minus 3 into 5, that is equals to minus 15, and 7 5s are 35. So this is the rational number whose numerator is minus 15, and we have to convert it by the help of minus 3 over 7. Alright student, the part number 3 is we have to convert minus 3 over 7 into a rational number whose numerator is 3. So the numerator of the given rational number is minus 3, which is to be replaced by positive 3. So the multiplier chosen in this case is 3 divided by minus 3. So the answer is minus 1. So we have to write it minus 3 over 7 is equals to minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 and 7 multiplied by minus 1. So the answer is minus minus plus 3 ones are 3 and minus 7. So this is the rational number with numerator positive 3 and we have to convert it by the rational number minus 3 over 7. Okay student, its last part is convert minus 3 over 7 as a rational number whose numerator is positive 9. So the numerator of the given rational number is minus 3 which is to be replaced by 9. So the multiplier chosen in this case is 9 divided by minus 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9 and minus sign. So minus 3 is a multiplier chosen. Now minus 3 over 7 is equals to minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 and 7 multiplied by minus 3. That is equals to minus minus plus 3 threes are 9 and 7 into minus 3 is minus 21. So we get the rational number with the numerator 9 with the help of the rational number minus 3 over 7. So student, question number 6 is as same as express minus 2 over minus 5 as a rational number whose denominator is 5, minus 15, 40 and minus 50. So you can easily solve it. Now question number 7 is express the following rational numbers with a positive denominator. हमें denominator को positive करना है. So minus 7 over 1 that is equals to minus 7 over 1. We have to convert this into positive denominator. So simply you have to convert it like minus 7 over 1. And the second part is minus 5 over minus 2. Minus minus plus, so 5 over 2 is a rational number with a positive denominator. Part number 3 is minus 31 over minus 3. So minus minus positive, so 31 over 3. Minus 9 over 5. That is equals to minus 9 over 5 is a rational number with a positive denominator.